So guys, I haven't shown up on the iKien channel for probably about 2 months now. Let me explain where I have been. So I've just been super busy over the past months. I'm now working like 3 part-time jobs, and I run a company where I actually employ staff and pay them pretty well. So I've been very busy, but I love filmmaking. I've been filming a load of promotional stuff recently. I filmed a wedding a couple of weeks ago. That was awesome. But I want to get back into the YouTube channel. I miss the community aspect of filmmaking, and I just think that I let you guys down. There's 4,000 of you, over 4,000 of you now. I'm on like 1.8 million views, which is just mind-blowing. And I want to come back with killer content and great quality. And look how good this quality is now. It's uploaded in 4K, this video is. So on the Panasonic Lumix GH5 with a great lens. And hopefully we can bring some great content to this channel. And this is where I need your help. Please comment down below good content ideas. I filmed a couple videos, I'm not sure when I'm going to post them yet. I will work out an upload schedule in the coming week and start posting, but I need your guys' help. Comment down below what videos we should do, and I'm hoping to do a giveaway soon, so comment down below what items I should give away, because I want to give it up to you guys. I want to give away something cool to boost this channel and hopefully get this channel shared about a bit more before we roughly get into the new schedule. But yeah, new schedule starting maybe this week or next week. I filmed stuff already. Comment down below some video ideas, please. And hopefully I'll be back to this channel with constant uploads, hopefully 2 a week. This is going to be cool. I miss the community aspect, and I miss everything on YouTube. There's been a couple issues with YouTube lately, but hopefully it'll be solved, and hopefully I can be uploading. Like, stuff hasn't been getting to sub boxes recently, and hopefully my stuff will start to. I'll see you guys soon. Comment down below some video ideas with some killer content.